What is an insurance score? Let's talk about it. Hey, it's Ryan with Smith & Sons Insurance Agency, where we are on a mission to transform the way individuals, families, and small business owners secure financial stability. I want to talk to you about the insurance score. This is something that you may see on quotes, or more likely it's something that the agent brings up when you're going through the quoting process. They need to get your social security number, and that's more or less to run a credit report that doesn't ding your credit. It's used to inform this credit score, the insurance score. The insurance score is used to determine your likelihood to cancel midterm or not make a payment on time, or the likelihood that you're going to file a claim over the period of the insurance policy. So there are ways to increase your insurance score. One is to simply improve your credit score. Another is to not file a claim. That will increase the insurance score. And also just to pay the bills on time, to set up on EFT or auto payment for your monthly insurance premiums. That's the best way to not miss a payment, not get a late charge, not have your policy cancel because you didn't make the payment on time. So those are some of the ways to improve your insurance score. Again, it is tied to the credit score, but doesn't negatively impact your insurance. So when you're asked for your social security number in the quoting process, this is simply the reason why they're pulling the insurance score. And it helps. It can help your situation. It can help your rating. Or, of course, what they will find out is that your insurance score is not so good. So it might impact your rating negatively as well. But I want to be transparent about what the insurance score is and have that discussion with you while you're going through the process, or, of course, before, if you've seen this video. So if you like this information, look for some of our other information online on our website or on YouTube, even on Facebook or Instagram. We want to educate people on the insurance product and show them how we're different through our service. So if you have questions for us, how we might be able to help you in your situation with your insurance needs, give us a call, 580-353-0668. Looking forward to talking to you soon. Thanks.